Here's running shoes that's considered by many shoe reviewers here in the Philippines and sa ibang bansa din as their budget shoe of the year. And as early as 2026 August, nilabas lang to actually 2 months ago, and many consider this already as one of their best candidates for their shoe of the year. And this is Chowdan's TG 2.0 Lily model. Okay, so pareho lang yung Lily and TG 2.0, isang model lang yan. And this is their SE version, yung may nakalagay na TG. And ito naman yung non-SE version, yung may nakalagay na Lily. Okay, so itong colorway na to, meron din sa SE version. Check nyo na lang dyan sa link na ilalagay ko sa baba. Okay, so bakit nga ba sobrang andaming na nagulat and na-amaze dito sa TG 2.0 Lily na running shoes ng Chowdan? Okay, so kung makikita niyo ibang videos ko, old videos ko of this model, okay, yung non-SE model, yung Lily model, I did an honest review and sobrang na-amaze din ako and sobrang nawawa ko dito sa model na yan. And this is their SE version and they're the same, talagang they have the same feeling and softness and bounciness. Okay, so diretsuhin ko na kayo. Tatlo lang naman yung reason kung bakit talagang ang daming nagkakagusto dito. And this is one of the most sought after na running shoes ngayon. Bakit? Tatlo lang yon. Unang-una, it's really soft. Yung foam niya, it's soft. Okay? And ang ginamit sa kanya na foam dito, ito yung foam niya midsole, ay yung Q Kung Fu Pro na midsole. Okay, so kung hindi kayo familiar doon, it's the same foam na gamit ng Chowdan sa mga racing models nila, yung top of the line na racing shoes, okay, na running shoes, and it's really soft. And what makes this really stand out doon sa ibang models, sa ibang brands, okay, na same category niya, na max cushioning na running shoes, na times 4, times 3 yung price, na mas mahal pa yon. Okay, ang bounce niya is really amazing. Ang ganda ng bounce niya. So this is soft and bouncy. Okay? And yung pangatlong reason kung bakit sobrang ang daming na-amaze dito is its price. It's priced as one of the most affordable na high performance na max cushioned running shoes. Why did I say max cushioned running shoes? Kasi 34mm yan and 41mm yan. So it's within the category of max cushioned running shoes. And kung titignan nyo yung weight ng ibang max cushioned running shoes, okay, ang laki ng difference ng gaan